Okay, let us solve this problem today. I already did it in the yesterday, but I am taking again because so many of you are feeling difficult to solve these problems because first time you are solving some problems in the physics. So you need to know many things how to solve the problems. You need to know more about how to solve the problems. Let us take this. First and foremost thing, to solve any problem, you should know the given things. And you have to read the numerical problem carefully. Suppose see, a force of 1200 Newton acts on the surface of area 10 centimeter square normally. What would be the thrust and the pressure on the surface? Suppose there is a 10 centimeter square surface. Okay, so there is a 10 centimeter square area. Okay, for this the force is acting normal to it. That normal force itself, normal force means the perpendicular force. That means the force is in this direction downward and the surface is 90 degree. That force is making a 90 degree angle with the surface. So that normal force itself will call it as thrust. Okay, that is the need to understand. You need to understand that normal force is called as thrust. Now, so what are the given things in the problem? Look at, thrust is given. Thrust is nothing but force. So the force and the thrust is nothing but 1200 Newton. It is given. And area of contact also given. Surface area is given as 10 centimeter square. The first thing you should know is formula. After getting to know this, you should know the formula. Formula is pressure is equal to force per area. Okay, and you know force, you know area. But one problem is there. Means we know that force per area, the unit is Newton per meter square. Okay, let us see in the given things what are the units. In given thing unit is Newton and in another one unit is centimeter square. But in force per area the SI unit is meter square. That means I should convert this 10 centimeter square into meter square. Right? So this 10 centimeter square I can also write as, like now I am going for conversions. So that's why I made a video how to convert the things, because conversion is very important in the physics. So 10 centimeter square, how to convert into meter square. Okay, for that I already told you in the last video that 1 centimeter can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Right? So means here, look at here, it is centimeter square. That means 1 centimeter square can also can be written as centimeter into centimeter. It is nothing but 2 square can be written as 2 into 2. Similarly, I am writing centimeter square as 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Right? Now, 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. And another 1 centimeter is also 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Right? 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Again, you have to remember mathematics formula. Like 10 to the power of A into 10 to the power of B can be written as 10 to the power of A plus B. Right? You have learnt in the last year exponential and powers chapter in the mathematics. 10 to the power of A into 10 to the power of B can be written as 10 to the power of A plus B. Similarly, 10 to the power of A divided by 10 to the power of B can be written as 10 to the power of A minus B. Right? Now we have an into 10 to the power of minus 2 plus 10 to the power of minus 2 is there. That means minus 2 plus minus 2. So that will become 10 to the power of minus 4 meter into meter it is meter square. That means 1 centimeter square is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Right? So after knowing this, now I can convert the area. So look at here, 10 centimeter square, right? So 10 centimeter square, 10 into 1 centimeter square is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 4. So that means 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. So this will become, you can write it as 10 to the power of, this is 1. Again you have to apply 10 to the power of a into 10 to the power of b. It is nothing but a 10 to the power of a minus 10 to the power of a plus b. So that here it is b is minus 4. So that means 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square. You get this much conversion. Now substitute in the formula. So we have a formula of force per area. So force is 1200 Newton. Area is 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square. Right? Now, again, you bring that 10 to the power of minus 3 upside. If you bring the 10 to the power of minus 3 upside, it will become 10 to the power of 3. So minus will become plus, because 10 to the power of minus 3, it is nothing but 1 by 10 to the power of 3. So 1 by 10 to the power of 3, if it comes upside, you will take the reciprocal of it. So it will become 10 to the power of 3. So Newton per meter square. You should retain these units as it is, Newton per meter square. Now it is 1200 into 10 to the power of 3. Or else you can write it as 1.2 into, I brought the 0 towards the left 3. That means I should multiply here, I should add 3 here. So that means 10 to the power of 6 Newton per meter square. So this is the answer. Or else you should write that as 1.2 into 10 to the power of 3 Pascal. Pascal is nothing but Newton per meter square. We already discussed this. Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Right? So this is the one problem which I discussed now.